Chalo. So what is the lever arm beta? Lever arm or moment arm? Moment arm is how much for me? Tau bar divided by F. Tau bar is nothing but what? R bar cross of your F bar divided by your mod of your F. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. If several forces are acting, then if all of them are in clockwise direction, you can add them. If they are in the anti-clockwise direction, you can add them. Clockwise direction, you can subtract them. So torque about this point will always be equal to how much beta? R1 bar cross of your F1 bar plus of your R2 bar cross of your F2 bar plus so on up to the given condition. That means tau naught is equals to, that one is a tau 1 plus a tau 2 plus tau 3 plus so on. You can go on take the given condition. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Sign convention I think already వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ. If you are taking in anti-clockwise direction వచ్చాయనుకో, you can get add up them all of them. If you have both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, all the anti-clockwise direction you add them and all the anti-clockwise direction you subtract them and take the resultant. That will give me the condition. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, very good. The next one is about your couple. What do you mean by your couple? Couple is nothing but equal and opposite forces. Equal and opposite forces. Equal and opposite forces. Okay, which will constitute a couple. Which will constitute a couple partition. Okay, na? So equal and opposite which are been acting in the opposite direction, like opening and closing of a tap is best example.
Yes.
Okay, you exert the force with one finger in one direction, another force with the other fingers in the opposite direction. But they should be equal and opposite part of relation. Equal and opposite forces if you are applying, that will constitute me what? Torque part, sorry, that will constitute me what? A couple. That will constitute me a couple. That means I can write here torque of couple. Torque of your couple about the point between forces is equals to what beta? Either force into your perpendicular distance between them. Into what? Your perpendicular distance between them. Perpendicular distance between them. Okay, that is your torque of your couple. So torque of your couple valla ganaka maatladte, you need to write this statement right now. So torque of your couple about a given point is nothing but equal to what beta? Constitute your either of your forces. Okay, so this is your torque of your couple about the point of your force, either of force into your perpendicular distance part of relation. Very, very important relation. Okay, na? So let me give you some examples, see whether you are able to write the torque or not for the given condition. Okay, I'll give you an example. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఇది ఒక రాడ్ ఉంది, దీనిపైన ఒక ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేసాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఎఫ్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేశాను. టూ ఈక్వల్ అండ్ ఆపోజిట్ ఫోర్సెస్ కదా. అండ్ రెండింటి మధ్యలో వచ్చేసి డి, రెండింటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చేసి ఇది. టార్క్ చెప్పు సార్ ఏం రాస్తాం? టార్క్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు మచ్ ఫర్ మీ టౌ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫోర్స్ ఇంటూ యువర్ డి.
Yes,
isn't it? So in the same way, number 2, inko example తీసుకో. Like say this is your rod and you are exerting one force in this direction and you are exerting the force in this direction. Okay, so this one is also your F and this one is also your F part of relation, and here you extend this one and here you extend this one. It is making an angle here theta and you are making an angle here theta. Now how do you write the torque for this one? So first you will resolve it. That is nothing but of your tau is equals to your F into D kabatti. This will become for me F into cos theta and this perpendicular will become for me what beta? F into your sin theta. And అదే విధంగా దీన్ని కూడా రిజాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటే this will become for me what? F into your sin theta. This will become for me F into your distance between these two particles. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు D ఉందనుకో. Torque is 0 because what forces, can you tell me? Torque is 0 because of
F cos theta
and this F cos theta. So torque is only because of what right now here? F sin theta into perpendicular distance. That is nothing but of your D.
Yes.
So I hope you got rough idea how to
Yes, sir.
calculate the torque part of a relation. ఇంకోటి కూడా తీసుకో టైం
Yes.
లేదు, రిమైనింగ్ విల్ ట్రై టు డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద టుమారో సెషన్ ఆఫ్ క్లాస్. ఓకే,
Yes,
సో ఇది ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను. Like say if there is a rod like this, just now I told you, and this one is the vertical wall on which it is being fixed or it is been standing anko, and this one is theta,
Yes.
right? Okay, I'm applying one force on this rod like this. This is one force I'm applying. I'm applying another force on this rod in this direction. This is nothing but of your F, and this is the distance between these two particles. This is your D. Now how do you write the torque on this one? You tell me better. What do you do? You resolve this D. ఇక్కడ రిజాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటే d cos theta, ఇక్కడ రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తే d sin theta. అంటే this will become for me d into sin theta. So how do you write the torque beta? Torque will be equal to your force into perpendicular distance. So it is your F. ఇది perpendicular. ఈ perpendicular here it is 90 కదా. దీనికి perpendicular ఎంత? d sin theta. ఈ టార్క్ వల్ల ఫోర్స్ ఎంత? దీని వల్ల ఫోర్స్ ఎంత? 0. About this axis it will become for me 0.
Yes.
About this axis part of relation, isn't it? So that is a way how do you resolve for the given condition part. Or else if we take here right now this perpendicular distance, this force into this perpendicular distance again right now, F always equals to Fd into your sin theta. Okay na?
Yes.
I will try to do the more number of numericals in the tomorrow session of your class. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
I hope you got rough idea related to your task right now.
Yes, sir.
కొంచెం రేపటి నుండి టైం పైన వచ్చేద్దాం నాన్న, టైం సరిపోవడం లేదు బికాస్ రొటేషన్ పెద్ద టాపిక్.
Yes. యాక్చువల్గా ఈరోజు అంటే ల్యాప్టాప్ కొంచెం అంటే నా యూజువల్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది సార్, దట్స్ వై. ఓకే,
చలో. ఓకే,
ఎస్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.